down here this morning at Australian Auto Protection. They're down here at South Tweed, and I brought the WRX down. What I'm doing today is I'm going to get the interior cleaned up. Now, I've already done the toothbrush clean on as much as I possibly could, but the seats and the carpets, I'm going to get them all shampooed and steam cleaned or whatever they do. Now, I'll just jump into the car and I'll show you, for example. Now, this is the bottom of the seat here. I'm not if you can see that bit there. It looks like someone's actually put a spilt a drink or something on here, and you can see this mark that's there. Put it like this. You can see sort of a bit of a discoloration in that seat. Yeah. So I think on the back's pretty good. You can see a mark just down there on that seat, and you can see some other ones there too. So they're going to do full shampoo, clean the seats up, and I think it's going to look really, really great. I came down here actually yesterday because I had another car that I have. I've got the windows tinted, and these guys really did a sensational job. Just have a look here. You can see you've got the guys in the background there. They're doing all the detailing of, I think they're blowing out carpets right now with like a high pressure air gun. And so the windows were done yesterday on another car. They did a fantastic job. So I'm gonna give you guys an update later, and hopefully this baby is gonna be looking super, super fresh.